Welcome, creative minds, to another exciting tutorial on HLGRAPHICS. Today, we're delving into the captivating world of photo manipulation, where we'll transform a simple image of a deer into a stunning piece of typographic art. Let's get started.
Photoshop image manipulation is a transformative process where digital images are creatively altered to achieve desired visual outcomes. Through a combination of tools and techniques, such as layering, masking, and blending, users can manipulate photographs to tell compelling stories, evoke emotions, or convey specific messages.
First things first, we need a PNG image of a deer. You can easily find one for free online. Once you've got your image, open it up in Photoshop and let the magic begin. Next, create a new layer and select the Type tool. We'll use this tool to add the word deer above our deer image. Adjust the size and position of the text to fit the shape of the deer, then convert it to a smart object. Press Ctrl+T to access the transform options, then choose Warp to seamlessly blend the text with the contours of the image.
From simple retouching to elaborate compositions, Photoshop empowers artists and designers to push the boundaries of imagination, turning ordinary images into extraordinary works of art.
On my channel, you will find many Photoshop and Illustrator-related videos.
I want you to watch my videos because you have a lot of benefit in it. If you get a chance to learn something from my video, it will definitely help you in your career. My videos are very important, especially for new learners. Both long and shorts videos are available on my channel.
If you have any question, ask me.
I am very happy with your work because this is my passion.
Now, let's duplicate our first layer. Disable the visibility of the original layer and select the duplicated layer. Create a clipping mask by right-clicking and choosing Create Clipping Mask. This will ensure that our typography only affects the area of the deer. To add depth and dimension to our typography, we'll utilize layer masks. With the clipping mask layer selected, add a layer mask by clicking the corresponding icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Press Ctrl+I to invert the mask, hiding the text for now. Select the brush tool and adjust its hardness to 100%. Choose a brush size that suits your image and begin painting over the areas where you want the text to appear. Watch as the typography seamlessly integrates with the image, enhancing its visual impact. And there you have it, a stunning example of typography in Photoshop, effortlessly blending with our deer image. Remember, you can apply this technique to any image to create unique and eye-catching designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to HLGRAPHICS for more exciting Photoshop tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep creating.